Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sir. Sir, me and Mandav said it,
Good
sir,
morning, sir.
together.
Sorry.
Sir, we have to start a new chapter.
Sir, reasoning.
So we all have completed. This is not a reasoning period.
So we have completed the chapter number 20.
Yes, sir.
So we have done all the five word problems of the chapter 20
Yes,
point
sir. We have completed chapter number
of
80 and
exercise
perimeter.
20.5.
We have to start with volume.
Yes,
Have
sir.
you all done this last
We have
question also? The window of a room is 2.2
Yes,
meter
sir,
long
we
and
have
1.6
completed.
meter
Yes,
We
sir,
have
wide.
yes, sir, done.
completed
Yes, sir,
done.
done.
What is the
Sir,
area
done.
of the
Sir,
window
every
and
question, sir.
also
Each
find
and
the
every
perimeter
question
of
we
the
have
window.
done.
So I am just
Sir,
doing it.
done, sir.
Okay. I'm just doing the question on the board so that you all can check your answers.
Combined class.
Yes, beta, it is again a class where both the sections are there, 5A and B. Okay. You all have your maths class together only the whole week.
Yes, sir.
So last question only I'm doing on the board, 20.5. Question
Sir,
5.
we can do ourselves.
Yes, all of you, please try it yourself first. 2 minutes I'm giving you. Try it
Sir,
yourself first.
already done and sent. Sir,
Okay,
already
some
done
of you
and
have
sent.
already done.
Sir, already done and
Few of you
posted.
may be left. So please complete it and post your answers, and I will tell you on the board also. Okay, this question.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Pani.
Sir, in this, we want to take out both area also and sir, perimeter also.
Yes, you are right. Keep your videos on, all of you.
Sir, I have done fifth one also.
Post your answer in the group.
Okay.
So there is a window which is in the shape of a rectangle. Okay. Let this be the window. It is in the shape of the rectangle. You don't have to draw the figure. It is not necessary to draw the figure. 2.2 meter long and 1.6 meter wide. That means length and breadth are given. Length is equals to 2.2 meters. Breadth of the window is 1.6 meter. We have to do two things. First, we have to find the area. Area is equals to L into B. That means 2.2 into 1.6. So if we multiply 22 with 6,
Sir, I
sorry,
cannot see what you are writing. I can see only screen.
better rejoin the meeting or turn off your video.
Okay, sir.
32 plus 3, 35. 3.52 meters square. Is it correct, all of you? Your area is correct? Have you all got it? 3.52 meters square.
Sir, my area is wrong.
So now I can see. Sir, I have completed.
And you have to find the perimeter also. How many of you have got the area correctly? Has anyone posted the answer in the group?
Sir, I. Okay, sir, posting.
Sir, I have posted the answer.
Okay.
Sir, in the previous class, I have posted.
Okay.
Hello, है वो कथी?
Rayansh, can you send it again?
Okay, sir, I am sending again.
किसे क्या कर रहा है?
Arnav, your answer is correct.
Okay, sir. Sir, I think that my answer is wrong. I have cutted my answer.
The area is correct. 3.52 meters square. This is the same answer you have got, na?
Yes, sir.
So,
Sir, by mistake I have cutted. I have to do it again.
so perimeter, the formula of perimeter, all of you, 2L plus B.
Sir, 2 into L in L plus B.
Correct. Are you all posting it? Rayansh has
Sir,
posted.
I have posted the
Yes, sir,
second
I'm
again.
posting just a minute.
Rayansh, your area is correct. And your perimeter is
Sir,
also
see
Thank you,
correct.
sir.
Very good.
Okay, sir.
Sir, please see Mandavya.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Mandavya. Mandavya. Perimeter 7.6 meter. Area 3.52 meter square. Okay, you have written centimeter and centimeter square. Correct the unit, otherwise it is correct. Okay, Mandavya. 2L plus B, 2 into L. L is what? L is 2.2
Sir, L is 2.2.
and breadth is 1.6.
Sir,
When you add
1.6.
2.2 and 1.6, you get 3.8. Now,
Sir,
2
3.8.
bracket 3.8 means 2 multiplied by 3.8. We get
Sir, 7.6.
7.6
Sir,
meter.
7.6.
So this is the perimeter. Okay.
Yes, sir, same. Sir, my was also same but cutted.
Sir, my both answer is correct.
Sir, my also.
Very good. Shreyansh, very good, correct answer.
Thank you, sir.
Can we start the next question now?
There is no
Done?
next question.
Yes.
The next chapter.
Sir,
Sorry.
there is no
But
next
there is no
question.
next
I'm
question, sir.
sorry,
There are
but
5.
I'm sorry. I mean to say that next chapter.
Okay, sir.
Very good, Adrika. Correct. Both question 4 and 5. Okay, we are starting with the next chapter now, everyone. I think you all have done this question.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Please wait for one. Yeah.
yes, Adya. Adya, have you done?
Sir, you have posted that only.
Adya is doing the question.
wait for 1 minute.
Okay.
Sorry, sir, it by mistake happened.
Hmm. Advika has posted. Very good. Advika, your unit of perimeter is wrong. It should be meter. 7.6 meter, not meter square.
Okay, sir. So can we start? I have done.
Yes.
Sir, now we start a new chapter.
Yes, beta. We will start the new chapter now.
Yes, sir.
Adya done?
Yes, sir, done.
So the next chapter is
Sir, next chapter is volume.
Sir,
chapter number
volume
21.
It is like 2021.
Why?
Sir, what the formula? Sir, it have only 2 things.
Sir, yes,
Cube
sir,
and
that.
cuboid.
Yeah. Cube and
So
cube.
first of all, what do you understand by volume, anyone? Do you know what is
Sir,
volume?
Sir, the sound. Sir, the sound that speaking is called volume. I know.
No, it is not that volume,
volume is
beta.
the quantity.
Rayansh, it is not
Capacity and the
that volume.
quantity.
We are not talking about that volume. Volume, जिसको
Sir,
the
volume means the amount of space occupied by an object.
correct.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So if suppose, better keep your mics off. So if suppose I have suppose if I have a balloon with me, okay, balloon. I fill some air in the balloon. Okay, balloon. We can fill air in the balloon, and the size of the balloon can increase, right?
Yes, sir. You can show
Okay.
here.
I'm not having a balloon right now. So
Sir, I have.
so if you fill air inside
Sir,
a
I
balloon,
also have.
very good, beta. So if you have a balloon, don't do it right now. You can do it after the class just to see what happens. So if you fill air inside a balloon, the size of the balloon increases. That means the space that it was occupying earlier was less, and now the after filling some air inside the balloon, the space occupied by the balloon will be more now. Am I right? Space
Yes, sir.
occupied.
Air occupies space.
L multiply by B equals
So suppose this is a room, Okay, let's consider that it is a room. See, Mandavya is showing the balloon also. Very good. Mandavya is always ready with all the things.
Sir, my father is going to bring balloon because my small brother says balloon, balloon, balloon.
Sir, inflated balloon, and sir, it is plated balloon.
Very good, very good. So suppose if I have a balloon and this is the balloon, suppose it is small in size right now in the same room is the same, and now if I fill some more air in the balloon, the size of the balloon will increase. Am I right? Like this, the size of the balloon
Sir,
will
the
increase.
balloon,
So earlier
sir, the balloon.
the balloon was occupying less space in the room. रूम में से थोड़ी सी कम जगह घेर रहा था balloon. Am I right? Now the balloon is occupying more space in the room, right?
Sir, yes. Sir, balloon is looking bigger than the room.
Not bigger than the room, but it is occupying lot of space in the room now as compared to earlier.
This is a inflated balloon and this is an inflated.
Very good.
Sir,
Very
please
good.
see.
Yes, you are right. I can see. So the two balloons that Adya is holding in her hands, the balloon without air is occupying less space, and the balloon with air is occupying more space. So we can say that Adya, keep on showing the balloons on the screen. Let me spotlight Adya so that everyone can see. So all of you, can you all see Adya's screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this balloon is small. The balloon without air is occupying less space, and the balloon with air is occupying more space. So we will say that the balloon with air has more volume as compared to the balloon without air. Understood? Are you all getting an idea what is the meaning of volume?
Yes,
Volume
sir.
means space occupied by an object.
Occupied by an object.
Understood? The space occupied by an object is known as volume of the object.
Volume.
Okay, so we can find the volume of only 3D objects. 3D objects are those which you can hold in your hands. You can hold a mobile phone in your hand. This is a 3D object. That is why I'm able to hold it in my hand. I can hold a computer mouse in my hand. Can you all see this mouse in my hand? So it is also a 3D object. So all these are
Sir,
3D
this all.
objects. Something which you can touch, which you can
Like I
hold
can hold,
in your hand.
sir, Wi-Fi in my hand.
Yes, see. So this is also a 3D object. So
We can do all thing in. Sir, in case, sir, if the things are heavy, we cannot take the lighter thing. We can take.
so all these are 3D objects. So 3D objects always occupy some volume, or always occupy some space. So all the 3D objects have certain volume. Okay, all the 3D objects have some volume. Now, you all have understood what is volume now. Okay, it is also known as the capacity of an object. Suppose if the object is a kind of vessel, suppose it is a vessel. Okay, you all know what are vessels. Have you all seen a glass?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
you can pour
Sir,
water inside a glass. So the
Yes.
capacity of that glass is also known as volume. Arav is
Yes,
showing a
sir.
small cup in his hands.
Sir,
You can see. Arnav, sorry. Arnav, I'm really sorry. Arnav is showing a cup in his hands. So this cup has some capacity, that how much water you
here
can
it
put
is.
inside the cup. So that is also the volume of the cup. Okay. So these two words you have to
Yes.
remember. Volume is either space occupied or the capacity of an object. Okay. So we can find out volume of objects. There are formulae to find out volume of cuboid and cube. What are cuboids and cube? Can you all show me a cuboid in your hands? If you have it, anything around you in the shape of a cuboid, you all know what is a
The
cuboid.
cuboid. Sir, I am making it.
Show me a cuboidal
Sir,
shape
please
in
see.
your hand. Hold it in
Sir,
your
it
hand and
can
show
be-
me. I will also show
Sir,
you
I
something in
raise
the
a-
shape of cuboid. Huh?
Sir, I
Eraser.
have a
Eraser or a sharpener.
Very good. Eraser is in the shape of a cuboid.
Sir,
Reyansh has a
It's a
cube.
sharpener.
Reyansh has a Rubik's cube in his hand. Mandavya has this Wi-Fi device in his hand. It is also in the shape
Sir,
of
it is
cuboid.
also.
Adrika is showing what? This is a laptop or what, Adrika? Is it a tablet?
So say it's a diary.
Okay, diary.
So this is
So
a
that is
beaker.
also in the shape of cuboid. And Reyansh is showing a glass. Glass is not cuboid. Glass is kind of a cylindrical shape. Okay.
Sir, a phone
The glass
is
is
a cuboid.
Phone we can say that it is in the shape of cuboid.
phone.
Okay. So all these are shapes which are similar to cuboid. Okay. So we all know what is a cuboid and what is a cube. Let me show you
Yes, sir.
how we can draw a cuboid on the 2D surface.
But
My
there
board
is
is a
one
2D
trick, sir. One triangle, sir. Sorry, sir. One
rectangle.
Sir, I know how to
rectangle,
draw.
and inside it one more, and some lines. All four side lines. Sir, done.
So first you draw two rectangles like this, as Arnav is saying, and then you draw the corners, join the
Sir, I am
corners.
showing also.
sir, joined the line afterward.
The object will look like a cuboid. Okay. So on a 2D surface, we can show a 3D cuboid like this. It is looking like a 3D object. Am I right or not?
So please
Yes,
see.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the top surface of the cuboid. Top surface. Right?
So please see.
Top surface of the cuboid. Yes, beta. Very
Sir,
good.
please see.
Correct. Very nice. Very nice. So a cuboid has three dimensions, like we said. It has a length, it has a breadth, and it has a height. Okay. So what is the length of a cuboid? This is known as L, length of the cuboid, this side. What is breadth? This is breadth of the cuboid, this corner.
That upwards.
The base. The base is rectangular. What is the base of a cuboid? It is rectangle. If you see a cuboid and
Rectangular.
if you see the base of a cuboid, it is rectangular. And the top is
Rectangular.
also a rectangle, and all the walls of the cuboid are also rectangular. So everything, all the surfaces of the cuboid are rectangular. Okay. So if we only talk about the base, it has a length and it has a breadth because it is a rectangle, and it has a height also. So there are three dimensions in a cuboid: length, breadth, and height. Got it, all of you? Understood? Shreyansh, stop doing it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, there are only three children of sir. With the B.
I can see 5B students, very less students attend the class. So this is a cuboid which has three dimensions: length, breadth, and height. Can you all draw it in your copy, everyone?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
draw a
Drawn.
cuboid in your copy?
Sir, in a rough copy or fair copy?
Fair copy, fair copy.
Sir, I have drawn it also
Very good,
already. So please see.
very good, beta. I can see.
Sir, a cuboid or sir cubic?
This is a cuboid. Okay, write down the name of the figure, cuboid,
Okay, sir.
and these are the mark the dimensions: length, breadth, and
We
height.
have to send it in
Three
WhatsApp.
dimensions. No, don't send it on WhatsApp. And now we will write the formula how to calculate the volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid, everyone. We can calculate the volume of a cuboid. We can calculate the volume of a 3D figure. Do you know we can calculate? We all know that volume is space occupied by an object. So we can calculate it mathematically. The formula to find the volume of a cuboid is just multiply the length and the breadth and the height. Multiply length, breadth, and height of a cuboid, you will get the volume of the cuboid. That means how much space this cuboid occupies. We can find it like this. Okay. This is your sixth period of the day, am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Two
just a
periods
minute.
are.
Let me share my link in the next class.
Sir, drawn the cuboid.
Yes.
So, at 150 the class get over.
If this period will get over at 150, right? 12:50, not 150.
So we have to write this in a notebook.
Yes, beta, draw the figure and write the formula in the notebook. Okay, all of you. Then we move to the next step. Can we start doing the next step?
So please wait.
Okay, I'm drawing it here only. I'm not erasing it. The next is a cube. To draw a cube, you will draw two squares first. Make a square like this, and then make another square like this. Okay, same size.
Mummy!
Better keep your mics off. And now join the
Sir,
corners.
sir, he was calling someone or shouting on someone.
Don't worry. It happens in every house. No problem. So this is a cube. Okay, it is the cube. There is only a one small difference between a cuboid and a cube. That small difference is that the all the surfaces of a cube are square, not rectangles. Okay, all the six surfaces. A cube also has six surfaces, and all the six surfaces are squares in shape. Okay, so right now someone was showing a Rubik's cube. So that is an example of cube.
Reyansh, he left the
Uh,
meeting.
So this is your cube. You can shade the top surface of the cube. Okay, the shading is done just to show that it is a 3D object. Sorry. Yes, you have to. Ah, very good. Riddhi is showing the cube, a Rubik's cube in her hand. Riddhi, show it again. Yes, everyone, this is a cube. Okay. Have you all played Ludo? Have you all played Ludo?
Yes, sir, mobile. Yes,
sir, always.
Yes, sir.
So that
having that
the
also.
dice of a Ludo is also in the shape of cube. Okay. So all the sides of the cube are same, are of same length. So if we say the length is A, then all the sides are same length. Okay. This is A, this is also A,
One
and
side has
the
joined.
height is also A. Length is also A, breadth is also A, and height is also A. That means I mean to say
please see
that
this.
all the three dimensions are equal. Yes, Adya, what are you showing?
Sir, a dice.
Dice. Adya is showing a dice, Ludo dice. Correct. It is also in the shape of a cube. Very good. So what is the formula of volume of a cube? Volume of a cube is equal to side multiplied by side multiplied by side. Okay.
Sir,
And the
bigger
side
class
in this,
are not joining. Sir, one left and one joined.
maybe because they think that the period has started, but still there are 3-4 minutes left
15.
in the meeting. It is only 12:45 right now.
Yes, sir.
So volume of a cube is side multiplied by side multiplied by side, or we can say that A into A into A. Okay. So this is the volume of a cube. Draw the figure and write the formula, all of you.
Sir, written.
Can we start with the exercise now, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Let us just try to improve your speed a little bit, everyone.
Yes, sir. You can start.
Okay.
Sir, what time is less?
Sir, please start.
Just a minute. This is sixth period, no?
Yes.
I think we should start it tomorrow only because only few seconds are left in the meeting. We will not be able to complete the question.
Yes.
Okay. So let's end the class. Okay, everyone. Thank you. I hope you all have drawn it. Drawn the
Thank
figures,
you very
written the
much.
formula, and understood what is volume. Have you all understood what is volume?
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Ma'am,